to my channel. It's Ronke Reggie.
What do you mean my last lash tutorial was 9 years ago? The link for these lashes are going to be in the description down below, but these are so beautiful. They're in the style Flutter, and it comes with everything. It comes with not only the lashes, which I just learned this, but the first row of lashes, it always comes with 2 rows. The first row is actually the left eye and the second row is the right eye. But check the lash, but each row is a different eye. So it comes with a bond and seal. One end is actually the bond, which is the glue, and the other end is the thing that you use to seal it after, and then the lash remover. This is a very complicated process that I just started learning myself this past year. You want to make sure that when you're applying the bond, you're applying it to only the base of your lashes, which means the place in your lash that is closest to your lash line. The one thing about cluster lashes that a lot of people complain about is the fact that sometimes they feel like it pinches or it stings. The only reason that would happen is you are putting it too close to the lash line. So where should you apply it? Apply it a little bit above where your lash line is. When I'm talking about lash line, I'm talking about the underneath side of your lashes. The best way to apply these cluster lashes is to look down into a mirror. I have noticed that this helps a lot because you really get to see the inside of your lash. You do not want to put it directly on top of your waterline, which is the part before your lash, like right below your lashes. Right below, and you know you put it well when it doesn't feel like anything is there. One thing I love about these is you're actually supposed to wear them multiple times, but I only wear them once. So every time I do my lashes is the same lash map. When we talk about lash map, it's the lashes that you use. So for example, the lash map I use is 16 on 16 on the end, 14 in the middle, another 14, and sometimes I just do 10. And I've noticed that makes it have the most natural look. You can play around with the lash map you like, but this is the lash map that gives me a very nice cat eye. Sealing your lashes is important, especially if you want to actually wear these for a longer time. To wear these for a longer time, just make sure that as you're cleaning your makeup, you cannot wash your face like regular. You have to use eye makeup remover to remove your makeup because you want to make sure that it doesn't stay. I do not wear them. I only wear them one time. And leave any other cluster lash tips and tricks down below. But honestly, I felt like this deserved a whole tutorial. And I hope this explained the process. And I hope you guys get into cluster lashes. I love the way it accentuates my eyes without actually being super heavy. So that's actually why I started wearing cluster lashes.